With Aweber sign-up forms, your subscribers can sign up multiple times with different tags to receive new automated email campaigns. First, create a new custom field in your sign-up form. In this case, we'll create a custom field labeled Your Favorite Animal. With SelectBox Multiple Choice, we'll create a drop-down menu entering a choice for each tag. So for dog, we'll create a dog choice and enter dog tag. And we'll do each one for each of our other examples. So for cat, rabbit, and then finally chinchilla. Now, any subscriber making a selection from our drop-down menu will get the appropriate tag applied. Going over to our campaigns, we'll have 4 campaigns set up for each individual choice. The way we'll trigger those is to replace the trigger from new subscribers to tag applied. So now in this case, when the dog tag is applied, they're signed up to the dog campaign. So go ahead, try this in your account today. If you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.